Australia's famous electric off-road skateboard manufacturer is back with a new model. Their newcomer was designed to set new standards for trail riding performance. The board's powertrain is represented by a dual-motor system that generates up to 7 kilowatts of peak output. Consequently, the rider could enjoy an exhilarating acceleration, 34% grade climbing, and 34-mile-an-hour top speed capabilities. In its top configuration, this e-board tips the scales at 40 pounds while being able to carry the max payload of 330 pounds. Just like other mountain boards, the S2 A-Trax features a robust suspension system and standard 8-inch wheels with pneumatic tires. The suspension is represented by a pushrod monoshock system. Moreover, the skateboard's available shock absorbers have adjustable preload and rebound settings and offer 2.3 inches of travel. The standard battery pack has a capacity of 864 watt-hours that translate into 27 miles of riding. If needed, you can upgrade to an 1800 watt-hour option for a longer riding range. For many years, the GTR series by Evolve Skateboards have belonged to the list of the most powerful personal transportation solutions that money could buy. But for the 2022 model year, the manufacturer decided to set the bar even higher and introduced the Hayden board series. These longboards are based on the forged carbon chassis system that is said to be lighter and stronger than the previous generation unit. The board power is provided by a dual-motor drivetrain with a combined output of 6,000 watts. This is plenty of power to propel you to the speed of 31 miles per hour and let you climb hills with a 35-degree incline. The powerful motors were matched to a robust 43.2-volt, 16-amp-hour battery system that can let you ride for up to 40 miles on the tarmac and up to 25 miles in off-road conditions. Underneath the board, there's a passive air ventilation system that's made of aluminum. It works like a heat sink that draws excessive heat away from the battery and other vital internals, thus preventing overheating. The new board also introduces integrated lights that are located both on the top and on the bottom of the deck and can be controlled via a remote with a significantly upgraded user interface. Lux LX is an upcoming electric longboard model that was designed to serve a dual purpose. Thanks to the two sets of wheels, this model can be used with 3.8-inch tires for street riding or going up and down dirt trails with 8-inch pneumatic tires. The board is equipped with a concave deck that is 10 inches wide and 40 inches long. The board's powertrain comes equipped with two belt-driven motors that can generate 3,000 watts of power output and grant the top speed of 30 miles per hour. The battery pack is attached underneath the deck. It's a 504 watt-hour unit that's built from the same cells that are found in some Tesla products and can last for up to 25 miles on a charge. The rider can choose between 4 different performance modes as well as 4 different braking modes. The modes are controlled via an ergonomic remote with a built-in speedometer feature. The remote has a forward button that you will use to accelerate and a brake button that will bring the board to a halt. While braking, regenerative braking system will kick in and capture excess energy on the go. If off-roading is your prime application of this board, you'll be able to order additional rugged motor mounts, bash guards, and front and rear lights at the checkout page. Carbon AT is an electric mountain board that's looking to occupy a market position between entry-level and flagship e-boards with extreme amounts of power. This model is based on a lightweight fiber deck that has a honeycomb build pattern. The deck comes with a pre-installed grip tape on top, which will let you maneuver better in off-road conditions. The overall product dimensions are 35 inches by 9.6 inches by 6.5 inches. The momentum is supplied to wheels by means of a dual-motor powertrain with combined output of 3 kilowatts. The belt-driven motor setup, alongside an upgraded ESC, made this board suitable for reaching 28 mph top speed of conquering hills with 30% inclines. Every board is sold with a set of airless tires that are said to require less maintenance compared to common pneumatic tires. The electric motors installed on the Carbon AT draw the energy from a 14 amp hour battery pack, and it's good for carrying the loads of 265 pounds for the distance of up to 19 miles. Endeavor Pro Electric Mountain Board is based on a carbon fiber deck. The whole board measures 44 inches in length, 17.7 inches in width, and 9 inches in height. With installed 8-inch wheels, 4.4 inches of ground clearance, and independent suspension system with adjustable coilover shocks, this model is ready to tackle some of the harshest road conditions. When riding off-road, the e-board greatly benefits from the combined power output of 3 kilowatts. Consequently, you could be able to ride at speeds close to 32 miles per hour and climb hills with 38% inclines. Endeavor Pro features a 25 amp hour battery pack that's fitted with Samsung cells and can let you ride up to 44 miles between charges. The estimated range greatly depends on the weight of the rider, riding speed, and type of terrain, but it's really nice to have a regenerative braking system that restores some of the charge on the go. Trampa Boards is a UK-based manufacturer of electric carved boards, longboards, and mountain boards. If you're a fan of going downhill or hitting a dirt trail on an electrified skateboard, then you would be amazed with the model range and variety of customization options that this company is offering. Right now, the company is producing 3 distinct model types: Pro Belt Drive, Pro Spur Gear Drive, and Open Belt Drive models. Depending on the chosen type, you'd be able to either purchase a pre-built model or get a DIY kit. On the checkout page, you'll be presented with an endless list of options that include but are not limited to the type of deck, trucks, motors, batteries, and much more. Ungoverned Electric Vehicles is a young company from Australia that's working on engineering personal mobility and adventure vehicles with daring designs. Their first creation looks like no vehicle we've ever seen. It incorporates the features of a mountain board, a snowboard, and a tracked adventure vehicle. The rider gets to stand on a snowboard-like deck that has 2-track drives bolted to the bottom. Each drive is powered by an independent electric motor, often undisclosed power output. We do know that the electric power motor will enable you to ride at speeds close to 31 miles per hour, and that the built-in battery pack can keep the electrified adventures going for up to 40 minutes. The complete set of specifications of this unusual off-road vehicle are to be announced further down the road, as the company is preparing for mass production. However, it should be noted that the company is considering to take custom orders if you would like to be the first to try this vehicle out. EV4 is a new research and development subdivision that was created on the basis of Aeroservice, a company from Poland that has years of experience in design, construction, and repair of ultralight aircraft. EV4 specializes in manufacturing of compact electric vehicles with superior off-road capabilities. The Boardzilla is the latest creation of the EV4 subdivision. This electric mountain board received a unique tilting system with robust steering knuckles that offer better maneuverability, reduced speed wobble, and increased traction compared to regular mountain boards. Instead of a regular foot deck, this electric board has 2 metal foot supports on each end and a massive battery storage box in the middle. There's also a pneumatic shock absorber sitting above the battery. The Boardzilla is supplied with 2 3,500-watt electric motors, offers up to 2 inches of suspension travel, and 5 inches of ground clearance. With a fully charged 36-volt, 20 amp hour battery unit, you can expect to ride for up to 25 miles at speeds reaching 28 miles per hour. We would really like to hear your opinion about the lineup in the comments section. Don't forget to mention other exciting models that we may have missed. Rate the video with a like, subscribe to the channel, and ring that bell. More exciting EV content is on the screen. Just follow the links. See you soon.